Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to freestyle. If you want to verify that I can freestyle, you can go onto my Instagram page called New Walk Music. Or if you just take my word for it, we'll get started. So the biggest thing, most people when they try to freestyle, they think of their first line and they memorize it. And it makes it so that when they finish that line, they're not able to say anything else. So they get past their line and they say, "Oh, I'm riding on the boat, wish you wouldn't go." And then when they're finished with the line, they don't have anything else to say because their memorized piece is done. So my best advice, don't memorize the first line. You have to just be able to work towards the end of the sentence. So for example, I really encourage people to think about the last word that they're going towards. So for example, if your rhyme is like boat, if you do this to practice, you'll get way better than people that memorize lines. So example, you could be like, "On a boat, said I should but I won't, even though I'm so broke, living with hope." Or even if it's more simple and you do something like, "Ride, night, tide, wide." That is better than like trying to do too much at first. And if you can really focus on those last words that you're going to rhyme, then the more you practice, and practice is like everything, it does take a long time. I've been doing it for several years, but if you have those last words, kind of what you're working towards in your brain, then you can start to fill in things randomly and like without even thinking about it that work you towards that word. So for example, like I'll do like kind of how I freestyle now. "I hate the way they love, acting like it's just another drug, trying to ditch me, break my heart just because, yeah. Got me swimming in these waves, I could go for days, drowning like a play, catching on, no COVID. You know that you know this, I'm sending them right over like it's Red Rover, yeah. Now I'm whipping in the Range Rover, singing like Cova, but ain't Jay-Z." That's just like an example of once you do it a lot and you can figure out what that last word is, which is the focus, then as you practice more, you'll be able to just fill in words that slowly work towards that last word. And then you'll be able to freestyle for a long time. Also, if you're starting out, I recommend doing a beat with a slower BPM or just something that's slower. But even on a faster beat like this, you can do it slower. So for example, you could look at this like bang, 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 bang. Or you could look at it like bang, 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 bang. And you could do something like, "I was walking down the street, then I heard this dope beat, and I had to go and see, So I came and went, and I left the dent. Now every bit of my time was spent." See, it's a little more simple than doing stuff like, "Hop in the coupe, grabbing the loot, that's what I do." Like, you can do it however slow you want, even on a quicker beat. So keep that in mind. But there are some that are obviously a lot slower, and those are easy to start out with. But those are like the main tips I can give. Really focus on that last word that you're going to rhyme. And then as you practice over time, you'll be able to go from being like, "Whoa, said I won't, because you don't, never giving up hope," to be able to just fill in a ton of words in between. So hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon for another video.